Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. So you want to run Android apps on your PC without dealing with emulator like BlueStack, MSI. That's give you lags, crashes and random freezing all the time. Well, I found a way through which can get full access to the Google Play Store without installing any emulator. That means you can download apps, play games, use social media just like a real Android phone. So without further ado, let's get the video. First, open any browser, then search for Windows subsystem for Android. You will see a few links, but you need to look for the GitHub page related. Once you are on the page, scroll down and you find a list of the release version. If you are using Windows 11, you can download this version and use it. Since I use Windows 10, I will download this version. After clicking, scroll down a bit and then download the version that is at the top. In the same way, you will also download the above from Windows 11. You can make a settings before the software is downloaded. Open the search menu and type in turn Windows feature on or off. Then hit enter. A window like this will pop up. Scroll through the list and look for virtual machine platform. If it's visible, make sure to check it and restart your PC. If your file has been downloaded, you can restart it now. Since mine is still downloaded, I will restart it later. This feature is essential to avoid any issue during installation. Now open up the setup folder, right click the zip file and extract it using WinRAR. You can use other extractor. Once extract, you will get a folder. Open it and look for a file name run. Right click it and select run as administrator. Then select run. This will launch PowerShell and you will see some processing. Just give it a moment. After that, a few windows will pop up. The first one is the Windows subsystem for Android settings panel. Click on continue. After following all the steps, sign in your Google account. After signing your Google account, you can easily use any app or game without any lag or hangs. This method is way smoother than traditional emulator, but it doesn't support key mapping. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.